Hi everyone, I'm Dr.Nathavat or Dr. Chui, a Feng Shui master at Heng Seng Teng School from Thailand. Today I would like to introduce you a little bit about the difference in Flying Star Feng Shui between San Yuan and Xuan Kong School. Of course, I'm gonna tell you that we don't have just Xuan Kong Flying Star, but we also have the classical Flying Star from the ancient time, that is San Yuan Flying Star. In my school, we totally separate between the principle of Xuan Kong and the San Yuan. The San Yuan is the original one, but the Xuan Kong is the next generation. The both of flying star chart I show you here are the Xuan Kong. For the Xuan Kong principle, now is period X, so we have to look at the good mountain star and water star number 8, 9, and 1. The normal star number are number 4 and 6. The uncertified number are 2, 3, and 7. Finally, the worst is number 5. This is the simple principle we know. For the San Yuan principle, mountain star and water star have to be matched with period star or time star. If they follow the San Yuan condition, that means mountain star or water star or both of them have power to promote your activity. In this line, we show how to classify the Feng Shui subject heading of the San Yuan school. Actually, we have 64 hexagram, San Yuan Flying Star and Xuan Kong Flying Star. In the 64 hexagram, the early heaven is used as the preliminary basis to create the subject, that is from equal to 64 core. In the same way with 64 hexagram, San Yuan Flying Star comes from the early heaven as well. Because this chart is considered as the branching of yin and yang in opposite directions of the Bagua, yin and yang line are matched each other. For the Xuan Kong Flying Star, the later heaven chart is applied for their basis. The conclusion of this expression is that the San Yuan used the early heaven, but the Xuan Kong used the later heaven. And what happened when the different heaven charts are applied to the Feng Shui? The answer is we get the different Rosu square as well. The San Yuan design the 5 elements of each number for their Rosu chart as follows. 1 and 6 are water element, 2 and 7 are fire element, 3 and 8 are wood element, 4 and 9 are metal element, and number 5 is earth element, which stay at the central. The elements of each number are decided from yin and yang lines of the early heaven Bagua. However, for the later heaven Bagua, the element of each direction is assigned by weather conditions or the movement of the earth around the sun. So, number 1 is water element, 9 is fire element, 3 and 4 are wood element, 6 and 7 are metal element, and number 2, 5, and 8 are earth element. Only number 1, 3, and 5 are similar, but the others are different. From the theoretical observation, we found that the number of each element in the later heaven also is clearly unbalanced. So, 5 element cycles such as productive, destructive, and weekend cycles is unbalanced as well. For example, 2 wood elements destroy 3 earth elements, but 3 earth elements damage just 1 water element. For productive cycle, 3 earth elements produce 2 metal elements, but 2 metal elements produce just 1 water element, and 1 water element have to support 2 wood elements. So the all cycles are unbalanced. This is one of the weak points of applying the later heaven to Xuan Kong Flying Star. In the Xuan Kong Flying Star, although we pay much attention to just goodness and badness of each number of 9 stars, but the interaction between mountain and water star is still important to predict the situation. Therefore, the unbalanced elements of 9 stars cause some mistakes of prediction. On the other hand, although the San Yuan also have 5 elements, but they don't use 5 element cycle for their flying star. They highly focus on just the He2 combination, the combination of 5, 10, and 15, and the same number for their flying star. So the unbalancing of five element cycles is not their problem. The both flying star charts I show you here are Xuan Kong chart, not San Yuan chart, but we apply the principle of San Yuan flying star to Xuan Kong flying star chart in order to compare them together. In the San Yuan concept, mountain star and water star have to be matched with the previous star or time star, not match each other. If they are corresponding to He2 combination and the combination of 5, 10, and 15 and the same number, that means mountain star or water star or both of them are good for promoting your particular activities. The Xuan Kong, you look at just one number, but for the San Yuan, you have to look at two numbers. In fact, for my school, we have both of 24 and 64 charts of San Yuan flying star depending on the detail. In the San Yuan flying star system, we could match people with their proper properties by looking at their date of birth. The year, month, day, and time are all taken to consider for selecting the human number or human core. We bring the proper human core to find the good direction from 24 mountains for supporting human destiny. All of 24 mountains, they have their own core number. This means the human core and mountain core have to match each other. The date of birth and house number from 24 mountains are used to find the auspicious date for doing Feng Shui. All systems of the San Yuan flying star are numbered from 1 to 9. This is the heaven, human, earth system of the San Yuan flying star. Finally, I kindly tell you that we don't have just Xuan Kong flying star, but we have had the San Yuan flying star chart as well. The San Yuan is not Xuan Kong, but Xuan Kong is the next Feng Shui generation of San Yuan school. I firstly published this principle in Thailand on December 2014. No Feng Shui master in Thailand teach like this before, except in my school. I'm the first person who disclosed this principle to Feng Shui community. If you would like to know and learn the San Yuan flying star Feng Shui and other San Yuan Feng Shui course of our school, please contact us given email and Facebook. For more information, you can download the attached file at below. Thank you everyone for watching.